Alright guys, so day 3 is over and done with. We are currently on day 4 now. Now to recap on day 3's task list, I went ahead and showed you the products that I used to restore the clarity of my front headlamp. Now I'm going to post those products in the description section below for you to review, but I highly recommend that you go in there and you check them out for yourself if your front headlamp is looking a little yellow and tired. Now also in day 3's video, I went ahead and reinstalled the front headlamp as well as the side blinkers. And I also unveiled a product that I've been wanting to review for some time now, which was the front headlamp. Haven't produced that video just yet. I wanted to get some ride time in before I actually make that video, so that video is to come. Also in day 3's video, we went ahead and reinstalled the rear brake light, upgrading to a smoke tail light. And I also showed you how to wire up that brake light to work with your OEM wiring harness. Also in that video, I went ahead and reinstalled the rear lock and cabling system. So check that out. Now, what you didn't see behind the scenes was me diving deep into the rear trunk of the tail section and clearing up a bird's nest of electrical issues that I had going on, and that was done by the previous owner. Now, one thing to note about electrical guys, if you see something exposed, please go in there and tighten that up. We don't want any electrical fires going on during our ride. Now, today's task list, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the front rim and retouch up the paint on the rim, as well as try and alleviate a problem that I had going on previously with the brake line riding against the front mud guard, causing deep grooving and scratching. Now I just purchased a new kit with a brand new finish, brand new paint job, and the last thing I want is to ruin it with the brake line hosing coming in contact with it. So with that said guys, enough of the talking, let's get to business.
I just like the sound.